Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to attempt to do a witch look for a video that I'll be filming on Caesar's channel. So you guys go ahead and check that out, and let's get right into it. Alright, so I've never attempted to do this, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Let's just see.
Alright guys, so I'm starting off with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 322. It is a lighter shade because I wanted it to have that pale look. Here I'm using this NYX Mineral Set It and Don't Fret setting powder. I found that this was very helpful because to achieve the look I am using eyeshadow, and this kind of helped the powder to kind of transition into the color that I wanted. I went super bold on the I went super bold on the eyebrows because I wanted them to really like stand out. So I used a black eyebrow pencil. I don't think it has a brand to it, but if it does, I will leave it in the description box. Now I'm pulling out my eyeshadow palette from my Shani Cosmetics 7-layer all-in-one palette or kit, and you guys see the green that I'm using here, and I'm just using it to press all into the crease, get it all over my lid. If you are wondering why my background is so super loud, I am sitting outside editing this video. Fall is definitely here, and I find it very relaxing. It's beautiful outside, it feels great. So I'm just out here enjoying it while editing this video for you guys. Alright y'all, here comes the fun stuff. This was a super random idea that we had, so I'm literally using what I have to make work. I ended up adding layers and layers and layers and layers and layers of this eyeshadow just for it to get to a point where I was like, okay, this is doable. Not only is this doable, but this is kind of cute. So with this look, I forgot to mention that you need a lot of patience because you're literally going to be sitting there pounding on this eyeshadow until you get to like a point that you like. But at this point, I kind of felt like I started going in with some black, and I kind of felt like I was getting ready to head to war. Alright, so I don't want to bore you guys, so if you are loving how this is turning out so far, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe.